BSE because that witnesses worst single day crash since listing. Now this decline was triggered by Sebi's directive to calculate regulatory fees based on notional values of option contracts rather than their premium values. For the benefit of our viewers, let's break it down. Now in the world of options, notional value means the total value of the underlying asset. Think of it as if you have about 100 shares of a stock priced at 100 rupees each, the notional value is 100 times 100, which is equal to 10,000 rupees. Now here's where BSE went off track. They were calculating their annual turnover, which is how much business they are doing, based on the premium value. This is basically the cost to get the right to buy or sell a stock at a certain price on a certain day. But that is different from the notional value, which is based on the actual market price of the underlying asset. Since BSE was calculating their fees with the premium value instead of notional value, they were underpaying Sebi. Now they have to make up the difference for the past years and pay interest on top of it. Now BSE has been asked to pay a differential fees of about 165 crores, of which 69 crores is from financial year 2007 to FY23 and 96 crore is from FY24. Now, MCX BSE's peer company has also been asked to pay a differential fee of 4.43 crore. Sir, I'll come to you. I mean, the retrospective hit is not that major, but the ruling will also impact, earnings per share going forward as well. Considering all this, is this correction that we saw today in BSE justified?
I cannot comment on BSE because it is into restricted list. But I think this particular sector is something which is going to do really well. I'm to say the stocks which are falling in this particular basket of such type of business, I think they are going to really well, and they are going to command this premium for a longer time because right now what is happening, the equity culture is like resuming like anything. If you see the overall pressure on the net interest margins of banks, and the consistent rise in the SIPs as well as other mutual fund flows, one thing is very clear that more and more people are moving towards equity markets or some other asset classes rather than going for only FDs and maybe saving into the bank. And maybe because of that, we are going to see furthermore particular sort of response or investments for this particular sector. So broadly, we are of the view that, as you mentioned, yes, see, these are the things which are like, which can come and which can again come in the near future also. But if there is like specific response from the entire population of our country, then I think all these companies are really going to do well.